Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a very long time, but I am back and I am planning to be doing more videos for you guys, at least one to two. I am using the Modern Renaissance palette for my eyes, and I already have put soft ochre all over my lid, so I'm going to be taking this eyeshadow right here, the Golden Ochre. And I'm just going to be putting that all over my lid just to set the primer that I have on my lid. And don't mind me talking. I'm not talking to myself. I'm talking to my 1.5-year-old son. He won't leave me alone through this tutorial. So if you see me going a little crazy or the camera going a little crazy, that's my son trying to distract. Alright, so I am going to speed up this process so it's not any slower than what it is, and we could get down to the nitty-gritty. So I am using the Shape Tape Concealer from Tarte just to clean up my lids. And then I am going to go in with the shadow Vermeer. I'm going to go on with that on my lid. And then I will be using the NYX eyeliner. I do like the NYX eyeliner, but they do tend to crack. That's the word I'm looking for. Oh my god, I don't know what's going on with me today. But yes, the NYX liner, I do like the NYX liner, but it does tend to crack. I forgot the name of the color, if it's yellow or if it's a different name, but I will link that down below for you guys so you could see that. So here I am going in with the NYX Skill Liquid Liner. You'll see me do that. And then after this clip, then you'll just see the final look. I don't know what happened to my other clips. I guess I deleted them. They deleted on its own. I have no idea, but they're gone. And all I'm left is with the pictures afterwards. So I apologize. I really, really apologize. I don't know. So here is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed and like. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also hit the little notification button. So every time I upload, you guys will get a notification and you guys will know first. Again, I will get better with my videos and clips and also posting at least once to twice a week. So please just bear with me, but I will catch on and I will get to this, guys. I will get this done. Thanks.